Before you start, configure the following settings. Set parameters. Unlock first. This ATC has 5 pockets, with a pocket offset of 60 mm to position them from the machine's 0 point. Parameters such as alignment axis, feed rate, and pick/drop speeds can be set as you need. Set the ATC mechanical coordinates. Place the supplied positioning piece into the first pocket. Install the supplied 4 mm locator pin onto the spindle. Move the spindle to guide the locator pin smoothly into the hole in the positioning piece. This sets the mechanical coordinates of the first pocket. Use the first pocket as a reference to set the ATC's mechanical coordinates. The other pockets are positioned automatically. Remove the positioning piece, then slowly lower the spindle until the pocket indicator turns green. Z-engage is set to the Z-axis machine position -12 mm. Z-traverse is set to the Z-axis machine position +18 mm. The safe clearance, tool holder end position, and dust shoe retract speed can be adjusted according to actual needs. Set the dust shoe's mechanical coordinates. Do not fully tighten the screws during installation, or the dust shoe may not seat properly during the subsequent setup. Carefully move the spindle to fully insert the dust shoe into its mounting bracket. The current machine position is the dust shoe coordinate. After setting the coordinates, tighten the dust shoe screws. Set the dust removal device mechanical coordinate. Move the spindle close to the dust removal device. The current mechanical position is the dust removal device coordinate. Dust removal device parameters can be adjusted as needed. Control the ATC dust cover opening angle, adjustable as needed. Set up automatic tool probing. Move the spindle above the tool probe. This is the tool probe mechanical coordinate. Probe tool height must be consistent with the label on the front of the ATC. Set the probe return height higher than the probe tool height first, otherwise the setup will fail. It is recommended to set it 3 to 5 mm higher. These 3 switches correspond to the dust shoe, dust removal, and tool probing. After setting the parameters above, turn on the corresponding switch to run the operation automatically. Set the current tool to T2 to drop it from the second slot. Drop the tool from the current position. These clicks directly perform their corresponding operations. Using the ATC dust cover as an example, other operations work the same way. Click a tool number to go to its pocket and perform the tool change.